Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi Redmi Note 11, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go into the settings, into the Gmail application and tap on the right upper corner right here. Here you can see that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time, and now just to log out from one from this account in Gmail application, we should log out from the Google account on our device. So we should click here to manage accounts on this device, and we will launch here the Google account settings. So click here, and now we can see here these two accounts, and just to log out from one from these accounts, for example from the second one, click here and tap to the more icon. Just tap here to remove, confirm to remove account, and as can you see in Google account settings we stay only with one account. And now we'll go back to the application and we'll check, and as can you see in Gmail application we stay also only with one account. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.